All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to another XpertVR Metaverse Monday. This week we're in Spatial or spatial.io. This is a great website that you can go to jump into a metaverse space just through your desktop or laptop, as well as you can put on a VR headset like I'm in right now and completely be immersed into the virtual world. So this is a great space, as you can see, because it's quite realistic. It's very professional. We have this type of space where it's kind of just like a really nice office to work in, but you can also create all kinds of spaces here. So as an example of that, I'll open up here, spaces, you can see here, and I can easily look through here, all kinds of different spaces that you can go to that people have created, or you can create your own. And what's kind of interesting about Spatial is over the past few months, I think now, they've actually kind of pivoted towards the NFT and crypto space. So you see super rare here and a lot of gallery type spaces. So you can actually connect the NFTs that you own into Spatial, so you can display your NFT collection in here and even have an open gallery for people to come and buy NFTs. But beyond that, I think that's interesting, but for education, it's really just interesting to have your students come and meet here. You have full control over the world. You can see here we have a waterfall. I can turn off the sound of that waterfall, turn it back on, turn down the volume. Everything around here is editable, so here I have a picture, it's unlocked or locked. Now I unlock it, and pretty easily I can teleport over here, it snaps to a wall, and now I lock it, and that photo stays there. Same here, I can change anything on this bookshelf, move it around, duplicate it, scale it. There's so many different options and creativity you have in this space, but everything looks professional. And that's what I really like about Spatial. And a big part of that as well is your avatar. So you can kind of see here, there's a picture of me, and that's what my avatar actually looks like in the space. So I take a picture and I upload it, or you would take a picture of yourself, a selfie, and upload it, and then it creates an avatar with that selfie. So it looks quite realistic, a little bit stretched out, but for the most part, pretty realistic there. So I'd exit out of there. Beyond just that customization and having a ready-made room, you can then go here right in the middle. Again, very easy to point at things or click on things, and you can bring in all kinds of content. So you see here, I can draw in the virtual space, and I can change the color of how I'm drawing or the size of my brush strokes. I can go in here and bring in different models. So I have pulled up here already Spatial Bucks coffee mug, or coffee cup, sorry. So you can bring in this 3D model and place it into the 3D space. Or you can go here and browse the web and search for anything that you'd like. It all works with voice as well, so it's very easy to manipulate without having to do a lot of clicking. See what else we can do here. Stuff, so we can take a selfie even. Let's switch this around. There I am, there's my avatar. So you can take a picture of you and your team. You can have all kinds of people inside of this environment. Again, you can bring in NFTs, you can connect it to Slack, your Drive, Microsoft 365, which is amazing for teachers and most academic spaces. What else can we do here? We can attach to your screen just like we showed in the Facebook space, so you can work on your laptop just like you would in the real world. You can bring up notes, and you'll see when I bring up a note here, it automatically starts the voice recording. Hello. Oh, they must have made an update here. So this one is a drawing note. So whoops. Hello. So we have that note. Now I can grab it, move it around, put it anywhere. let's see here. I tap and open this. So instead of drawing on it, I could turn on a keyboard, or I could just talk. And then when I talk, it starts making that note, and it all looks very professional. You finish. Click done. And now I have this note, and you can, again, just like everything inside of Spatial, you can edit, you can duplicate it, make another. You can lock this. Now I can't move it in the space. So a lot of flexibility in a very professional space, and it's being used more and more for NFTs, but it's where our team has had some creative brainstorming sessions. I know different companies like REI, they've used this space to design new backpacks, and some toy companies have used it to design new toys. It's a very flexible space that looks very professional and allows you to work in a professional manner instead of something like Rec Room that we showed last week. So if you have any questions about Spatial, it's a space we've been playing around with for a while and one of our favorite Metaverse-like spaces. So happy to answer any other questions or help you get into the space.